Hey friends, welcome back to She's At It Again. My name is Tanya. It is a Sunday afternoon. We finished lunch, our lunch guests already went home, and I'm about to make something for a potluck we're having later on this afternoon. It's a new recipe and it's called yogurt pizza muffins. Now these are a healthy version of pizza, but it's in a muffin shape. Instead of just getting a slice of pizza, you're getting a muffin, but tastes like pizza. I love the concept. I love the thought of this, especially at a potluck where people have a tendency to want to touch things, but they'll all look just alike. So that's going to be helpful. But I look forward to sharing this recipe with you. The format's going to be a little bit different this time in that I'm not going to talk through the video. I'll just have comprehensive recipe in the description of the video, and you can look at it, watch the video, and just watch how each process is done. I'll just try to get little snippets of each step, and then I'll show you the final product at the end. So if you want to try it, look at the recipe in the description. And we look forward to sharing something again with you real soon. But take a look at what we're about to do now. We have a few minutes left before our muffins are ready to come out of the oven, but I wanted to remind you of 3 things. Number 1, you can use a gluten-free flour mix in this, and the recipe says that it turns out just fine, so no harm in doing that. If you need a gluten-free option, be sure and know that you can use a gluten-free flour mix in this in place of the plain flour. Number 2 is when you put these in your muffin tins, you need to prepare your muffin tins. I know you didn't see me spray anything or coat them with anything because mine are ceramic, and honestly, I've never had anything stick to these muffin tins. They wash so beautifully, and I'm real careful about not to use anything scratchy on them or even a tool to take things out of it that could possibly scratch the finish on it. But I've got 2 of these muffin tins, and those are the ones that are in the oven right now. So that's why you didn't see me prepping them with anything. But just a light coating of coconut oil or butter or olive oil or some good quality fat to prevent it from sticking would be really helpful. You don't want those muffins to be stuck to your muffin tin. Number 3, you can change up the mix in this. If you don't want the Greek style pizza muffins like I'm making in this video, feel free to change it up. Replace the cheeses, use mozzarella, use cheddar, use whatever flavor you want. I just happen to use pepper jack in this because I had some pepper jack shredded in the refrigerator and I didn't have anything else to use it for, and I thought, well, why not? So I just used that in this. But you could use pepperoni and mushroom as your toppings. Leave out the olives, leave out the onions, all the other stuff. Pepperoni and mushroom, you could use pineapple, mandarin orange, and ham or Canadian bacon. You could use all meat or all vegetable and change up the complete profile of these pizzas. So do it the way you want to do it, and if you need 2 different flavors, hey, divide the dough in half and put one kind of pizza mix in one or toppings in one and other toppings in the other. Make everybody happy at that time. So anyway, these are just about to come out of the oven in a few minutes, and I'll show you what they look like as soon as they're done. And they smell really good. You knew I was going to say that, right? Okay, our oven timer just went off. I added about 5 minutes to this. I don't know because the batter's so thick or what. I know my temperature drops 25 degrees because it's convection, but that really shouldn't matter. So just know it might be 25 to 30, 35 minutes. Pan number 1. And the other ones, these smell fabulous. They smell just like a pizza. Okay, I'm hoping these go over well at the potluck. And Zoe has been there to supervise most of this time, so they should be completely good. Just, yeah, she doesn't let me do anything wrong. So thanks for watching. Recipe is in the description as always, and we look forward to sharing something again with you real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.